All right. Good afternoon, traders. Let's take a look, see what kind of developments we got going on here. So, if we take a look at GJ, right? One of the things we notice if we're looking at the 1 hour time frame is that we have a uh, looks as if we've entered into a downtrend now. Um, with this, and I looked at this once we got a close, this candle closed below this previous swing low here. That was kind of confirmation to me that we were now in a legit, possibly legit downtrend from our previous trend, the last week or so of the uptrend. So it looks like we may be in a full-blown reversal at this point. So just wanted to point that out first, to let you see kind of what's going on in the market and how we can possibly trade this market. So if you missed this move right here, again, if you believe in and you follow the Elliott wave theory or the wave theory that the market moves in waves, there's no doubt that that does happen. And if you get in the start at the beginning of the wave process, then you would look at this possibly as this entire move down right here, out of this consolidation of this main area right here, as wave one. And then you look at this area right here, this pullback, so to speak, as wave two. And we know that typically with wave two, we get a good pullback to the 61.80 retracement area, for a continuation move into the direction of the trend, which in this case would be the downtrend. So we should be looking for sell opportunities at this point, once we get the signals, and it looks like we may be possibly getting that signal here. Again, we see where price pushed up and then pushed away from it, rejected this area earlier in this first wave process. So again, looking at this, this trend's holding up as a now legit downtrend or reversal of the previous uptrend. Then this would be wave two, and we could considerably see ourselves going into wave three, which, if you follow Elliott wave theory, a lot of times, not all the time, wave three is typically the longest of the five wave process, right? So where we look to put out trades in, a lot of times you want to catch it early. You get in early on these waves, get in on that wave three, and you have some potential pip count going on here. So if we look at this, if we get our trade in, we can look at a possible at least a 50 pip move, at least a 50 pip move here, going with the trend. More than likely, we can get more, but we could possibly be looking at a 50 pip move, if you get in on this wave that looks like it's possibly starting to form and take place. So that's a good trade to have. Get in, get a few pips, and shut it down for the day, and then continue to see where this downtrend goes and how it develops for the rest of the week. And then we should be good. We should be in a good place by the end of the week without trade. So look to ride the waves in the direction of the trend. Look for your pullbacks in the opposite direction of the trend. So you got our impulse move, which moves in the direction of the trend. And you got your counter move, which moves counter, or your correction, which moves counter to the trend. And we always look to trade in the direction of the trend. So once that pullback, we get confirmation that pullback is complete, we look to put our orders in the direction of the trend. So I hope you can see and understand what's taking place here. And then let's take a look at it on the lower time frame real quick to get an idea. All right, so when we look at that, you see how this area, price bounced off this area, and we see where we're getting a um, good formulation of engulfing candle here. Again, for the continuation to the downside. So it looks promising. If all things hold up, then we're looking at some possible sell opportunities to the downside. So I hope this quick look at what's going on with GJ at the moment was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section. If you liked the video and it was helpful to you, please by all means, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Good day, good trading, and happy new year.